let us consider the basic definition of a signal here. A signal is a mathematical function of one or more independent variables which conveys some information based on the nature of a physical phenomena, or anything that can carry information can be considered as a signal here. Basic definition is, it is a mathematical function of one or more independent variables here. So in this course we discuss only the one independent variable signals. Such signals we are taking as one dimensional signal. Here, this is the dependent variable of the signal, whereas this is independent variable of the signal. This independent variable in this course we are taking as time. Actually, a physical quantity which can vary independently can be considered as this independent variable, like pressure, humidity, temperature, this time, anything can be considered as independent variable which can vary independently, not depending upon any other quantity. Such signals, such independent variables, we are considering here only time. So this independent variable, only one independent variable we are considering, so that this signal is taken as one dimensional signal. If there are more than one independent variable, if two variables are there, we can take it as two dimensional signal. If n variables are there, we can take it as n dimensional signals. But in this course, we are taking as one dimensional signals. That independent variable we are considering time. This is the basic definition of a signal. Examples of these signals we can consider as a speech signal, or a telephonic signal, or a music signal, or TV signal, radio signal. So anything that carries some information we are taking as signal here, and represented mathematically like x of t, or we can take it as f of t, where t is the independent variable that indicates a time here. This is the time index for this signal, and x or f, this is the dependent variable. The value of this x or f, it depends on the independent variable t. That's why this is dependent variable we are taking, and this is what the signal name we are taking, x or f, based on the signal. So this signal, basically it is divided or categorized in terms of two types here, deterministic and random signals. First, if you consider deterministic signal, the definition of this deterministic signal is a signal which can be expressed in terms of a graph, and it can be explained with the help of a mathematical equation that can be taken as a deterministic signal here. A signal which can be taken as a mathematical equation like a sin omega t if you consider. This is a mathematical equation for this signal. This is deterministic in nature. This can be expressed in terms of the equation along with that associated graph like this. So mathematical representation along with that graphical representation is possible for this deterministic signals. Whereas random signals, if we consider, the actual value of the random signal cannot be estimated before it actually occurs. Such signals we are taking as random signals. It cannot be estimated before it actually occurs. We are taking as random signals. Example, a speech signal is a random signal. Before actually it occurs, we cannot estimate what is the value of that signal. And of course, this cannot be described with the help of any mathematical equation, or no mathematical expression or equation for random signals. In this course, we are going to discuss all deterministic signals here.